What's up, everybody? Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform called Quantum X Ecosystem. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research. This platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return by using Quantum X Ecosystem platform, so it's a perfect opportunity for you because they are providing you all benefits under a single platform. So we will discuss further, and please don't miss any part of this platform because in the next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works. So there are a few main things that inspired me to introduce this platform. That is no gas fee and buy fee zero, sell fee zero. Next you can see here token name is Quantum X and total symbol is QXT and total supply is 12 million, and you can see the address and token owner. There are 5 holders, and the blockchain it's Ethereum. So these are information that's very important to provide you. So next you can see here the next generation financial platform that seamlessly integrates banking, crypto trading, real world asset tokenization, and trade finance under a regulated infrastructure. So these are the benefits that they are going to provide you in under a single platform. So next you can see here the tokenized assets 124 million, crypto holders 4 million. Next you can see if you have balance 65 millions, and trade finance value is 250 million. So this is the detail. Next you can see the key feature. I already told you that it has a massive opportunity and best benefit under a single platform. That's why it inspired me to introduce this platform in front of my community. So you can see here the fiat banking and payment system. So next you can see initial crypto trading and real world assets tokenization, and next you can see here that digital trade finance, and next you can see here the regulated custody and compliance. Next crypto fiat conversions and cards. So much more. You can explore more further and get more information here. The details are there. You can see here how basically it works. So each and everything is in front of your face. So this is the detail. Next you can see here the regulated value solution here to secure your storage large scale digital assets with the customized access control from the instruction and high network investors. Next you can see here high volume ODC custody. So you can see here dedicated storage for instructional trading desk and investor dealing with high volume crypto and transactions. So that's perfect for those who are engaged in crypto industry. Next you can see here the tokenized assets custody. So details are there. You can get more information. And the third thing is very important, that they have a very strong team who's backing up this platform, and none of the platform can be successful without active and strong team was backing up the platform. So that's why it's quite amazing. Next you can see here the conclusion, basically what it is. So you can see here Quantum X is committed to delivering secure, regulated, and insured asset custody solutions for institutional investors. So basically they are providing institutional investors all benefits, safety, and security. And next you can see here their business and the high net worth client, our robust security infrastructure, regulatory compliance, and insured custodial services make us to trusted choice for the digital assets protection. So you can easily protect your digital asset if you have. So you can use this platform and keep your assets safe and secure. So next you can see where to secure your assets with the Quantum X, how basically it works. So you can see here the details are there. You can get more information by clicking on that. It will provide you further information, and you can see here all details where it is in Canada and Korea and Switzerland, and there are plenty of places are there. So these are the information that I provide you. It's very important. And next you can see here you can get more information on Etherscan. Will check it out about the details. You can see here at the moment it's quite acceptable price, and it's perfect opportunity for you to grab it right now, and it hit its target. You can generate the best return in the future. So these are the holders. You can verify it, you can check it out and get more information. Next, here we go. You can see here quantum details are there. It's based on Ethereum network, and total size 12 million. And next you can see here You can see Uniswap V2. It's quite perfect, and there's no fee, and it's quite amazing because there are plenty of projects they have fee, and when you exchange that's you have to pay a fee, so there's no fee, so no issue. Next, you can see here the white paper, and it's backbone of any platform, so it's very important to study the white paper, and it will guide you how basically it works, so each and everything is given. So I will post all the links in the description, and if you have any question and queries, so I will be there always to provide you all the details. Next, here you can see, guys, ICO launch is April 2025, and initial price is 0.45, and soft cap is 5 million, and hard cap is 12 million. You're investing, and unlock monthly vestige is 30% and 6 month, and the contract address is available in front of your face. So you can see all the details. These are the details. Its price, its current price at the moment, each and everything is quite perfect. So I'll provide you all the information regarding this platform. And next you can see here the investor details are there, and next you can see your resources, how basically it works. So stay informed, and you'll be able to get more information regarding that. So why join Quantum? So there are plenty of reason, plenty of benefits behind that. That's why it's quite perfect and different than the other platform. You can see here the innovation driven collaborative culture, and its global impact. And next you see continuous learning and benefits and wellness and career advancement. So these are the details and benefits that can make it quite different than the other platform. So hopefully you briefly understand, guys. And next, if you scroll down a bit, you will get more information about that. So you can see here, each and everything is given here. Next, you can see here, blog industry insights, so details are there. And next, you can see so documentation and technical guides. So each and everything is available. If you have any question and query, you can get the answer of your question at the same time. You can see here all informations are there, and you can get all the details from here. So this was the detail that I provide you. Hope so you briefly understand about that, guys. And if you have any question and queries, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. And the next that is very important, their community, and you have to join their community. It's very important to join their community. When you join their community, you will become the member of their community, and you will be updated with the upcoming news regarding this platform. So it's quite perfect. So the details are given. You can see here their links are available, and I'm sure when you join the links, you will be able to get more information regarding this platform. So you can approach the team also. If you have any question and query, the team will available, and they will provide you all the detail if you have any issue, and if you have any query, so they will available for you and 24/7. So hope so you briefly understand, guys. So we will meet our next video, and once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber investor community, so please don't miss to join their links, because it's very important to join their links, and you will become the member of the community, and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding Quantum X ecosystem. So we will meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.